Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to draw a line graph and how can you put a partition line between these two part of a line graph. Like this way I will show you in this video. Let's start. First you have to open your prism, Graphpad Prism, and then click XY, then enter or import data into a new table, and then X number. By default it will be here. And in case of y-axis, if you have a single data, then you can click here, and if you have replicated data, that means more than 1, 2 or 3, then you can click here, and if you have 4, just increase it. In my case it's only a single y value, that's why I'm clicking here. Then click create. Now spreadsheet is here. Now your job is to transfer your data from Excel to this Prism sheet. I'm copying my data and then clicking here, and then just click here. Make sure in x-axis there should be one data that is in x-axis and rest y-axis. In my case I am using storage days and two variety moisture percentage, variety A and variety B. So in x-axis will be storage days and y-axis will be variety A and variety B. Now we can check our graph. So our graph already made here. Then if you need a connecting line, that is the points will be connected, this looks good, then you can choose here and then click OK. So our graph is ready. We don't need this data, so you can click here. And in y title is moisture percentage. So you can write moisture percentage, and storage days and variety AV, you want two different colors to indicate variety A and variety B. Then we can click here. For variety A, color is black, so we can take red color, and shape is okay. Shape, we can choose this shape, for example, then it's red color and this shape. And in case of variety B, the color is black, we can make it in green color and then apply, so it's greener, so make OK. So our variety A and variety B, they have two different colors. And now I will show how to create a partition line. For example, you want to make a partition of this to make one left side in one denoting one stuff, and in right side another. Then how you can do it? Just click in the frame, double click here, and then you will go x-axis, and then in x-axis additional ticks and grid lines. Then click here. We need a line after 40, for example 40 storage days, so click here 40, and then we need line, not tick, so line is okay. And after that click in details. So our it's a text line, tick or grid line. We need we need right, okay, we need line 1, line 2, okay, we need another line, that is 1. We need one grid line, that's why I'm clicking 1, then click fill, okay, so we can go again. Now you can click grid line or fill the shade between these two lines, so we can need a shade, then apply it and okay. So that's how you can click and you can make a partition between two parts of your graph. And here you can write, for example, inside for example, and here you can click for outside of the home, something like that. You can click by this way, you can make your line graph. And after that you can export the graph in TIFF format, and then you can make your line graph by using Graphpad Prism. Thank you for staying. Please subscribe my channel.